And no matter what you guys do, I want your feet on the floor, not on the pedals. Do not slow it down, do not speed it up.
That was crazy, huh?
It's nuts.
Once he gets to the top, just turn it back off and drive away. Okay, you guys will be at 2 miles per hour. Don't touch your brakes after you set it, and come on up. 1 is way too slow. You're going to see 2 miles per hour, and it's also too slow.
Have you got yours in? You're ready to go, right?
Yeah.
Remember that walking pace I was telling you about? That's slower than walking speed. Walking speed is about 3 miles per hour.
No traction control.
Just want to make sure you're not on the brake and on the gas. Yep, let it do its thing. Eventually, it will apply the brakes on the other side and start giving you a locker-like function, because it will actually slow that other tire down. Okay, hit the button, turn it off. You're 3 miles per hour, come on up. And we'll keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. 3 miles per hour, it's almost the perfect speed.
How cool was that?
That is insane.
This is what I was trying to talk about. Keep on moving forward. This is what I was talking about as far as walking speed. Go and stop right there. Okay, so you're going to be 4 miles per hour. Trail control, 4 miles per hour. Excellent, come on up. Make sure you're in low range. When you're coming down, no lockers, no stabilizer bar disconnect. Just come down all natural.
This is all sand too.
All right, number 3 is just a hole. So just go into it real slow. The guy with the camera's gonna have a great view of this. And just keep on driving it out now.
Okay.
Okay, you have bad lights, so stop. I want you to put it in reverse. I want you to turn your lockers in and stabilize the bar on. And the other
Front
locker.
locker?
Mm-hmm. I want you to put trail control on and give me 3 miles per hour.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright, man. Watch me. Small inputs, okay? If you keep looking back, you're not going to see it. You're going to start going side with all the
Okay.
and stuff. Just a little bit. There you go. Perfect. You don't want to be right behind them. You don't want to be right behind them.
All right, now come on forward. Come on down. Next vehicle, come up.
That is insane.
Oh, slower. Those fast guys, we want to put an empty, full jug of water with no lid on the back, so when they just hit that hole, it just comes over the top. And just drive on up to the top. Come on down. No stabilizer bar. You don't have stabilizer bar. You're good. I see your guys' hands go up onto the dash. You're disqualified.
told you he would know.
And Jake, no helping your dad out.
Is that it there?
It goes up this way.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, you already blew it.
So, 3 mile an hour. Remember that.
Watch what everyone does wrong, guys, and learn from it.
So you need to be over a little bit left.
Yeah,
His
'cause
right
he-
tire fell in that hole, and you got to keep it 3 mile an hour. You got to,
See, he stopped when he hit
yeah,
that.
and that kills you. You got to keep it rolling, smooth, and keep it rolling. Not too much throttle either.
Yeah. He's stopping every time he hits
Yep.
a.
But, yeah.
I need to be to the right or the
Keep
left.
on moving forward, guys.
So you gotta use that rock
But
right
just
there.
keep wanting people on the hill.
See, he was too far to the
He
right
did- he
too.
did not have enough momentum. He didn't.
Yeah.
So stop here. Wait here.
And then I need to be to the left there too. Okay, you ready? See how easy I went up that?
Gas is in front.
Stay over here. Stay over here.
Oh, but he's fucking me up. There it goes. I need to be more.
All right.
left.
Get moving. Go.
Yep.
Go. Go.
Yep, I'm not stopping.
Good job. You didn't lift when it came up. That
No.
was the difference. Is
Yep.
to keep the momentum going.